Hello everyone, I'm Bodine Monet and I will do a stripped down set for you today with 3 of my original songs. We have Hans on guitar and Phil on keys, and we're starting with my first song, Still Picture You.
Have I cried too many times for stupid things? I can't rewind the videos where I wear your clothes oversized and it caught your eye. Should I follow my heart or my head? Do the stars look at me like I'm obsessed? In my mind, I still picture you and me. I realize that I sound pathetic and weak, but I'm not ready to give up on our memories. In my mind, I still picture you and me. One wrong look and I am hooked on your toxic love. Can't get enough of the crazy nights where we love, no fights. A hopeless time, but you are mine. Should I follow my heart or my head? Do the stars look at me like I'm obsessed? In my mind, I still picture you and me. I realize that I sound pathetic and weak, but I'm not ready to give up on our memories. In my mind, I still picture you and me. How hard for me to accept that I let you control my thoughts. I dream at night, I cry when seeing you have just moved on. 'Cause you don't care to hear my voice, and that destroys my confidence. If only you could tell me why I'm wasting time on fake romance. In my mind, I still picture you and me. I realize that I sound pathetic and weak, but I'm not ready to give up on our memories. In my mind, I still picture you and me.
Dankjewel. Thank you so much. The next song is my new release. And it's a song that I wrote about a time when I had feelings for a girl, but I was too afraid to share that to the world and act on it. So I wrote a song about it because that's what I usually do when I don't know how to control my feelings. So the next song that I'll sing for you is I Lose, I Lose, I Lose.
Playing it low, no one will notice. I will just lie and date a guy. I couldn't face the honesty. Can I rewind? I tried to be someone that I couldn't be. secrets that I only let you see. So I'm stupid, everything I say is useless. You found someone new and I lose, I lose, I lose. I was clueless and let society choose us, but I don't care, we're humans. I do, I do, I do. I do wish it was you. I can't believe I saw you naked. I felt ashamed to praise the painting. I am sorry for your pain when I was pushing you away. Why did I not even try? I lied to be someone that I couldn't be. My eyes feel my darkest, deepest secrets that I only let you see. So I'm stupid, everything I say is useless. You found someone new and I lose, I lose, I lose. I was clueless and let society choose us, but I don't care, we're humans. I do, I do, I do. I do wish it was you, you. I do wish it was you, you. I know you kept hoping and I wasn't showing that my feelings for you were true. I'm leaving in silence, let you have your time, and someday I'll be waiting for you. I'm stupid, everything I say is useless. You found someone new and I lose. I was clueless and let society choose us, but I don't care, we're humans. I do, I do, I do. I do wish it was you, you. I do wish it was you, you. I do wish it was you. Thank you.
Take a little sip of my tea. So maybe you know this next song. It's called Tears Like Rain. And I sang it in Germany for the finals for Eurovision 2024. And yeah, it's about overcoming a toxic relationship or a toxic situation that you've experienced. And this song is to rise from negativity in the past and give each other a lot of happiness and love. So here is Tears Like Rain.
Cried a flood, water was all around me. Water, it made me doubt me. How many nights, how many times? Blood of a girl just like me. You really kept it low-key. How many nights, how many times? Baby, she was just a silver lining. No more tears like rain running down my face again. No tears like rain running down my face, my face. Too many hearts colliding, too many eyes be crying. Tears like rain, tears like rain, getting over you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Got lost in us. How could I love so blindly, putting it all behind me? So many eyes, so many fights we lost. If I'm the one you die for, then you ain't the one I cry for. Don't want the lies, wasting my time. Maybe she was just a silver lining. No more tears like rain running down my face again. No tears like rain, running down my face, my face. Too many hearts colliding, too many eyes be crying. Tears like rain, tears like rain, getting over you. Ooh, 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 ooh. No more tears like rain, tears like rain. No more, no more, no more crying over you, over you. Oh, too many hearts colliding, too many eyes are crying. Tears like rain, tears like rain. I'm over you.
Thank you so much. Make sure to check out my page. I'm Bodine Monet, Hans on guitar, Phil on keys, and I thank you for being here today.